Hey everyone, this is Clayton with Players Health, and this video will be an overview of the Guardian profile in our system. So on the left-hand side, you'll see the names of all the athletes whom you're the Guardian for. And as you click on an athlete, you're able to view their profile. We'll quickly go through how to edit this. So you can put in all their information, height, weight, age, school ID. You can put in their contact information, so we'll go into healthcare provider, can put in a physician's name, multiple physicians if you'd like, their emergency contacts, parents, neighbors, whoever you feel comfortable with. You can go into some medical conditions, so you can add anything that they may have, the same with allergies. And if your organization has a compliance form, you'll be able to go through and finish this through that. So then you can click on Teams. You're able to add or remove your athlete from a team by clicking the orange X here or by searching a team to add them to. Then the coach or an organization administrator will be able to officially add them to that team. From here, we can add an injury to our player if something happens. You're able to go through a lot of information, and it's important to note that not everything has to be filled out at the beginning. You can come back at any time to edit an injury report, and all of the updates and additions will be time-stamped, so you'll have a clear timeline of everything that happened with the injury and any information that you gain throughout the process. So you're able to put in a lot of information about the injury, where it happened, why it happened. You're able to put notes in. You can track all of this, and at the same time, or when you're completed with this injury report, it'll be sent to the coach, the organization, administration, and also an athletic trainer if you are assigned to one. Now this doesn't have to be your doing. The coach could fill out an injury report which could be shared with you, or an athletic trainer or an organization administrator could also do this. You're able to upload files that you have. You can also come back in at any time to add a file. And you're also able to say how much you would like your athlete to participate in the coming weeks or days of practice or games or a tournament. From here, you can put in some notes about specifically what you like to have happen, and also the coach or athletic trainer can give you information if you're not present about what they did, what they saw, and some future advice for that. So if we go back to Jack's profile here, as we scroll down, you're able to invite someone to be an emergency contact, and then all their information will be input. So you're also able to hide medical conditions. If you try this, a pop-up will come up, which you can decide yes or no if that's your decision. You're also able to do this for injuries. And to look at previous injuries, if we click on inactive, we can see that Jack had a left ankle injury. If we click on that, you can see the date, and you can bring up the report as well. All the information that was put together for this injury is in the system. Any notes that were updated, the rehab timeline that he went through, if there was any equipment, files, or comments. This is all available through the Guardian profile. If you were to have any notifications, they would pop up here by this bell. At this time, we don't have any, but they would pop up there, and the only way to get rid of them is by clicking on it. You're also able to save drafts of injury reports. So here we tried to create one earlier but didn't finish it, so we can click on it and update it at any time. We're also able to do the same thing with files, whether or not we'd like to hide them from coaches or organization administrators. So if we wanted to put in a file about ankle sprains, for example, we can do that, or any other information that we would like people to have about Jack. So that's most of the information for the Guardian profile. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to us, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you.